to my youngins, one of the earliest mistakes a man is probably going to make is to think that because your nigga or your elder brother has got the money or the girls, right, that he has it figured out and that his patterning should be your patterning. Nah, young nigga, be yourself. Whatever it is that you decide to do, make it make sense to you. Know yourself and be yourself. Your nigga is probably just as pressured to copy something from you. Copy something from him, but ultimately do you, be you. Own your own outcomes. Saperehood. Dare to fuck around and chop that by yourself. Losing your identity is losing your umo, and you end up getting people and things that are not meant for you permanently. And you also affect your brother or your friend because you had a role to play in his own development as well. So it's not about being a victim out here. No self-pity fam. You can use Holy Ezumezu as your Igor for tutorial. You can use Holy Ezumezu as a great tool. Play it while you're in the shower and meditate. And you can use it when you're sleeping to remember your dreams. Dagazi.